The hidden test that makes or breaks your plastic products. Plastics surrounds us, from the packaging that keeps food fresh to the medical devices that saves lives. But not all plastics are created equal. The difference between success and failures often comes down to one critical factor: quality control. When plastic quality fails, the consequences can be severe: product recalls, wasted material, damaged reputation. That's why leading manufacturers rely on one essential test: the melt flow index. There are three key parameters that determines the quality of plastics. First is mechanical strength. Can it withstand the required forces? Second is processability. Does it flow correctly during manufacturing? Third is consistency. Does every batch perform the same way? At the molecular level, these properties are determined by the polymer's structure and flow characteristics. That's where melt flow index testings become indispensable. The melt flow index measures how many grams of plastic flow through a standard die in 10 minutes under controlled heat and pressure. This simple test reveals crucial information about the material's viscosity and molecular weight. Different applications require different MFI values. If it's too high, the material may be too weak. Too low, it might not flow properly during processing. A packaging manufacturer was experiencing inconsistent film thickness. MFI testing revealed batch-to-batch variations in their resins. By implementing regular MFI checks with a Testronix tester, they reduced their material wastes. And auto part suppliers traced premature failures to improper MFI values in their raw materials. After adjusting their quality control process with precise MFI testing, their warranty claim has been dropped. Not all MFI testers are equal. The Testronix advantages include precision temperature control, automatic sample cutting for perfect timing, compliance with all major standards, and user-friendly interface. With Testronix, you don't just get a tester, you get a complete quality control solutions. In today's competitive market, you can't afford to guess about plastic quality. Testronix MFI testers give you the certainty you need to produce perfect parts every time. Ready to take your quality control to the next level? Visit testronixinstruments.com today.